Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today's presented in this meeting, respected principal of Madinatul Uloom Academy, and all my teachers with respected present of another people, with my friends. Today I am going to tell about Independence Day on 15th August. Independence Day of India is celebrated on 15th August each year. In this day, India got freedom from British rule. On that day, the Prime Minister of India hosts the national flag at the Red Fort, New Delhi, capital of India. It is a national day off for every Indians. This day we remember the great struggle of freedom fighters. Every state and union territory of our country celebrates this day with great enthusiasm. Assalamu alaikum.